Turn out the background music. There we go. What is up, ladies and gentlemen, man? Hopefully you guys, like I said, are having an amazing day. You guys are getting those games in, getting right with yourselves, staying busy during the weekdays, man. So, guys, we had CPI data today. What a day to just be alive. Let me tell you guys. So, ladies and gentlemen, off of CPI data for myself, it was a rather good day. Can't complain on it. Cannot complain on it. So, taking a look at it, guys, I went long at the CPI drop. Now, some of you guys are like, YB, you're crazy. You're crazy. Why would you go long there? That's insane. Why? Well, my theory here, and basically what played out in coming into B, was, hey, I'm just going to get another dip buy. Okay, hey, I got long. If it wanted to reverse there, that would have been great, just in case the news came out differently. Continue to fall, got a good dip buy here on the first screen candle. Sold out at basically near the highs before, obviously, well, now we're at new highs, but before the ripping and running. So, it was a great sell. Can't complain about it. Amazing sell order. Yeah, but, I mean, I honestly thought the rebound was going to happen. I did. I think the longs were still kind of in play no matter what, and I was proven right. So, give me 1 second, I'll BRB, but I was proven right. Give me 1 second. Alright, I'm back, guys. Yeah, I was right on that, ladies and gentlemen. So, printing out 529 on it. Cannot complain, guys. Beautiful play so far. And I will be waiting, right? Because tomorrow, if you scroll down in my chat, you guys see economic data for the day. Friday is PPI data, right? Today at 2 p.m. we also do a budget statement. I don't know how effective that really is, but I mean, I guess we'll find out, right? Also, got a little dual stream with the man, the myth, the legend, Caesar himself, baby. So let me hit him up. we go. All right, because we got some big news to talk about. We got some big plays coming. I think you guys are gonna enjoy it. So yeah. It's not 100% done yet. Some of you guys know what I'm talking about. But the first step in the right direction is there. So the first step in the right direction, I decided to rebrand. We'll talk about it. Let's call it in. We'll talk about it. Also gonna make frappe. Make love in it. That's what I am. Let me tell you something about Caesar here. Let me tell you something about Caesar here. You call him the first time, he doesn't answer. The second time he may answer. The third time he will. So, a little bit of technical difficulties per the usual. But ladies and gentlemen, it's a big day, it's big news. Yeah, guys, finally. I don't know if you guys can see it, but let me know if you guys see that little donate button, if that's up. Now, I'm not, asking for a donation. I just want to know if it's up yet, because I can't. This is what my screen looks like. This is what my screen looks like for you guys. As you see here, look, there's nothing there. But I need to see if that's up, and that's gonna be used. That's playing into the next step of YB consultation, YB consulting. That's playing into the next step. So someone in chat, what do you find, folks? Let me know if it's up for you guys, because that's playing into the next part. I think it's up. I'm not quite sure though. I think it's dumb that I can't see it, but I think it does make sense in a way. But yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be playing a part into all of this madness of a software, I mean not software, excuse me, coaching service I've been trying to get going. So the long anticipated hype is almost over, guys. Sorry, guys. Okay, sorry. I zoned out. I'm not even gonna lie. I was sitting here zoning out, bro. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. So, market open, market push. Nothing much so far. Volume's already dead, bro. Off the rip, market died off. So, market's at around... Okay, never mind. It just looked dead to me. That's not dead at all. That's over 100K. That's not dead at all. That's great. That's what I'd love to see. As long as it's over top, never mind. Okay. As long as it's over top of 100K candles worth of volume, I don't mind it. But, ladies and gentlemen, coming into play, I was looking at NQ, ES, S&P. By the way, yo, any of you Bitcoin and Ethereum holders, yo, shout out to you guys, bro. Let's see. Bro, let me tell you about something, my buddy called Bit. My buddy called Coin. My buddy called Ethereum. Let me tell you about my friends over here. They've been helping your boy out. Okay? They've been helping your boy out pronto. Alright, let me tell you. Let me tell you about these guys. Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm loving them. I still want that pullback though. I still want a pullback, and I know some of you guys are like, why be? Well, how come? And I am thinking about a long right here, guys. A dip buy long right here. not on 20 contracts, probably on 5. So coming down to the points, all of the points are coming down to, and yeah, I think that dip buy is going to play out here, guys. Oh, we're so close to it, but we're not close enough. We're close to it, but we're not there. Oh my goodness, we're right there. This is such a risky factor for me, man. Okay. I want to see what happens when we touch them. We have to touch them, though. We just got another dip right there. Look, 50-day view opera down here. Oh, man. There it goes. Might have to wait for that next candle to form, guys. Sitting right on it.
Order filled.
I think I'm gonna get in here. S&P's right off that 200. Yup. S&P right off that 200. I want to see what happens here. I have a dip buy for 5 of them, but it has to play out right here, or else I do have my finger on the sell button already on a tiny amount. But I don't even want to see that come in. I want to see this hold up here, guys. Yeah, it would just make sense for all of this to hold up. NQ overall is the only thing. Yeah. I'm only in with 5. I would like to get in with another 5. But if I ride this out with 5 and I let it run, rip and run, I can make, you know, a solid 1 to 200. I'm fine with that. Let's see it here. Want to see this start to hold up here. Right in this area. Need to see it hold up. It's right around that area I want to see hold, guys. Okay, is it starting to fall a little bit too hard, guys? Is it starting to fall a little bit too hard? Or is this just like, I just think maybe this is another dip buy coming into play. I'm only in 5. I'm thinking about jumping in another 5 here, depending on the S&P. I cannot be stubborn, though. I feel like I am being stubborn. Like, S&P selling off that hard, that quick, makes me think dip buy. Which I could be right on. You're right. I could be right on. That could be correct, Jaden. You're correct. It could be right. But then you got to play the long-term game and not the scalping game. Like, look at that. Look at that, man. That could come right back up, boys. Look at that, man. That could come right back up, boys. Look at that sitting in that area.
Order filled.
Let's see it, baby. Let's see it. Now you're almost looking for it to spike right back up to your points. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Starting to take over. Starting to take off, guys. Look at that thing. Starting to come back up into play, man. See it take 90 over. Look at that coming all the way back up, ladies and gentlemen. S&P starting to spike. Want to see it hold these highs, though. Has to hold the highs up. For the dip buy to play out, has to hold the highs up. Got in the area, but now needs to hold up on it. Got in the area, now needs to hold up on it. It's like right there, ladies and gentlemen. If it holds up, you're good. If it holds up in this area, you're good to go for the dip buy. Perfect. S&P coming right back up. 476.80 breaking. Same with ES overall. NQ overall coming back up. NQ coming up. I want to see NQ, ES. I want to see S&P get up to that view op. See what happens there. ES, S&P, and Q all come up as well. Do the same. I want to see that come up. Flip the script. Come back up here. I'm not looking to hold and hope and hold and hope. But I'm also not looking. We'll see. Might be looking to get out. Just take, you know, break even and get out. Lower shadow after lower shadow. I want to see S&P come back up here. Double lower shadow coming back up to 90. NQ overall, getting up there. S&P is selling off. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Playing near these points are a bit risky. Like, that was a bit of a risky play, I'll admit, obviously. But, obviously, I'm looking for the dip buy off of this crazy hard sell-off, right? This is a big sell-off right now, guys. I don't think S&P is going to sell off too much more. And if it does, that's insanity. Like, this right here selling off more isn't bad. I'm not going to be against it. Once you get a 150K account, you got to have some wiggle room, right? This is not a 50K account to where there's no wiggle room here. I have to have some leeway and let it rip and run, and I've learned that recently, and I've learned that more or less recently, to where, yes, like, I'm right on that, right? I also got to know where to buy these dips, and this looks like a good dip buy opportunity coming in, but I need to wait and see for NQ overall. And look at that, guys. Yeah, if S&P pushed a little bit more with me, man, I need a little bit more of a push here. Wow, S&P is getting that little bit more of a push. I want to see it hold up here, boys. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see it hold up here. I need to see some sort of support coming into play here across the board. Like, if you guys are catching this drop, that's good to go. You guys are great. But I do see support coming across the board here soon. Look at that. Wow. Wow. What do we open up at? Do we open up high? Market overall is pretty high. Wow, we were just over 1,700. Huh. Maybe I should have looked at price action overall. Okay. Once again, guys, just waiting. There's got to be some sort of retracement. And on the retracement is when I want to get in and get out, get filled. What is it, 7.4? Oh, okay, that's up to where my point is. I am looking for a dip buy. Yes, guys. Yes, yes, yes. I am looking for another dip buy. Yes, that is the truth. I do not think S&P can have this much of a sell-off without some sort of retracement back to the top side. That is the truth. That's my genuine truth. That's my thought process here. It cannot have this much of a sell-off without some sort of retracement back to the top side here. Should I probably just call it a day? Maybe. Maybe I should have called it a day and walked away. Look at that. Starting to hold up a little bit more. I just need S&P. Look at this, guys. I need S&P to hold up here somewhere. I think we're coming up to the area of where it will. I'm going to get filled on another 10 here because I think we're coming up to the area where we're holding up now. I think that was a perfect dip buy area, and I think we can start to take off here, boys. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Look at that coming up. Look at that coming up now, guys. Off of the dip buy area. I like it. I like it, guys. I like it. It's beautiful, boys. It's beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. Coming up now. Coming up now, ladies and gentlemen. I like it. I think we can touch that 50. That's what I'm aiming for. 7274 area. 7274 area. We got room to. If S&P can get above that 476.25 area, we're golden. Has to hold up here, though. It's right there. I think it will. We're right in that area, boys. That's why. We're right in that area, which makes me think that we have to have some sort of dip buy coming in. Now, we don't have to. We don't have to do anything. The market can go down to $0. We don't have to do anything. But NQ overall, what a beauty. Come on up here, NQ overall. If they could just get that freaking spike, bro. Give me that pop, bro. Stop playing games, S&P. S&P NQ playing games right now. I want it to stop playing games and just spike up on me, man. Nice, good profito on the day off that CPI data. But stop playing games during the market time, baby. NQ overall bottoming out here. Starting to come up, starting to get its pop. S&P looks like it's starting to bottom out here. Looking for that one pop above this damn super hard trend line. Like, this trend line is unbearably strong. I would not take longs off of it at all. A 75-degree trend line, yeah. So, it's going to come. Patience pays. Patience pays, boys. You got to be patient. Got to be patient. Look at that. Have to have patience, guys. Learning patience in the market is going to be your guys' key to success. From the difference between success and failure, guys. When you learn patience, your success levels will skyrocket. When you understand that market direction, you know, you understand market direction, you understand how the market works after so long, you will succeed, man. Like, you will start to see a very big difference and a very good shift in your trading styles. I promise you guys that. It will shift, it will change. You guys will see differences, right? Like, I can very much see that the market direction might be down, but I could see a retracement back up to the 50-day. Why? Because for the next push to the downside, we have to have some sort of retracement, guys. So once you understand that, like, I can see a push up to 70 here. I'm filled at 60, I can see a push up to 70 here. 100%. Basically another 20 points. S&P basically another $1 up. I could see that these are not crazy gains. NQ overall pushing up here, right, ladies and gentlemen? So once you guys see that and start to realize that and start to process that, once we get above these points, we will start to take off to the top side. We will start to take off to the top side. NQ will start to take off. NQ overall is doing its job exactly to the top side, helping it out tremendously. S&P doing its job. Want to see them all hold up here and help out NQ. Help NQ out, man. It's like lending a helping hand, you know? Lending a helping hand in hard times, you know, lending a helping hand to NQ, which needs to get up there, guys. So S&P holding up, buyers picking it up. I love it. I want to see it push that 60, start to break out to the top side, guys. So I think we'll get it. I think we got it. I think we'll get it here, guys. At least up to that 50. At least up to the 50-day. At least. I think we're going up to that 200 in VWAP. If we can just get above that 9-day as well in the S&P 500 and NQ overall holds up. Red to green me, baby. Red to green me above that point. Start to take off. Start to take off. Red to green me above that point. S&P holding up nicely. Start to take off on me. All the way to the top side. All the way up. So close to it, man. It is so close to it, man. With the retracement, the pullback. Hey, what's up, Inner Moon? Why be in the office today? Yeah, buddy. Yup, and there it goes, man. I need to see that retracement hold up and pull this thing back up, man. Like, it was right there. Why was it right there? Well, this maybe... I don't want that to be the retracement, man. That's a really crappy retracement. That's a really crappy pullback. I don't know about that one. I like the higher lows still holding, but I don't know about that. Like, that just doesn't seem like a true retracement. Like, I was expecting up to the 50-day, up to the VWAP, up to the, 200-day, not up to the 9-day EMA. You know what I mean, guys? Like, if you hit that 200-day, I would have been like, okay, that makes sense. Not up to your 9-day EMA. I think once you get above this 9-day is when it's taking off, man. And I don't want to be too biased. Like, I'm not trying to be biased for retracement, but I'm also not trying to just, like, be like, oh, okay, let me get out of this. Because I know patience, and I know patience pays. So I know patience pays, man. Patience pays, guys. Patience pays, guys. S&P looking beautiful to the top side. NQ. Need a push for it to look beautiful to the top side here. What a beauty. What a beauty. S&P finally broke that 9-day EMA to the top side. S&P finally broke that 9-day EMA to the top side, guys. Finally starting to get that push, man. Now has room to go to the top side. NQ overall finally broke up to the top side here, guys. NQ overall finally broke that 1503 level to the top side now. NQ, next on the plate. Waiting and watching, guys. Waiting and watching. Nothing confirmed yet. Waiting and watching. Love it, though. Love it, though. Love it, though, for a little bit of red to green action to the top side. I do see it going up to that 50-day. Look at that. Red to green coming into play. Red to green coming into play. Red to green coming into play, guys. It is right there, man. Higher lows are holding this thing up. I could see it spiking. $10 a.m. spike. 10 a.m. candle coming in about a minute. Waiting and watching, guys. Hold on. Got up to my point, not necessarily. It's still, like, I just see some sort of pop here. I see a red to green candle here. Above this 9-day EMA, holding up beautifully. Start to take off. I don't know why it came up to the price of right above 60 and started the reverse. That's not what I'm thinking about at all. That's not a 50-day, that's not a 200-day, that's not a VWAP. There is no point there at that 60 point, so therefore, no reason I'm thinking about getting out. No, reset green. Depends on NQ overall here, I think, as well. I think if they both hold up, like, S&P's kind of doing its job, guys. S&P's not kind of doing its job, it's doing its job.
Order filled.
Got filled there. 20 more. You guys want me to be honest? I see a push here. That looked like a perfect double bottom dip buy, man. I'm not even lying. Oh, the market's playing games today, ladies and gentlemen. Games have been played today. Games are being played today, boys. Games are being played today, man. Absolute and utter games, man. Absolute and utter games, man. Perfect double bottom dip buy, let's see it. Perfect double bottom dip buy, let's see it. Absolute and utter games are being played. Let me see that dip buy, man. Perfect double bottom dip buy. Let's see it. Oh man. Yeah. I'll let it shoot itself out. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. You know, obviously getting long is not always the best. Filled with 40 contracts. Not what I was really looking for, but the dip buy never came. Dip buy doesn't come, guys. This is what happens. The stop loss need to be adjusted. I have a 100% win rate on this account, and it's almost about to shoot itself out. Why? Because of my dip buy opportunity. I need to adjust where my stop losses get filled, where I put my stop losses. That's it in general. Yeah, because S&P on that next sell-off, man, and that was the retracement. That was a really shitty retracement. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. That was a really ugly looking retracement. Not what I was looking at. Not what I was looking for to come in. I didn't like it. I don't know. I need to see some sort of, you know, something here. Something here. I need to see something here. I never would trade this. I never would take a trade off of this. This is really ugly chart pattern, really ugly setup. You have the higher low cracks coming into play, but for me to take a setup off this and a trade, no. Never. Never. Not good looking at all. Very ugly chart setup, very ugly pattern. I need to see it right here. I would actually have to reverse because I'm at 37. Yeah, I have about 1,000 stop. I need to see that actually come up very, very, very soon. I don't think, yeah, like we're about to hit very shortly here. I do not want, I mean, if it hits, it hits. I'm not going to be the guy to be biased towards one way or another. All right, there she goes. There she goes on this one, guys. Like I said, I still have this one, which I'm fine with. But it really is frustrating when the market is retracing at an amount that I'm not expecting, right? Like the market's retracing on an unbearish, like I can't take a trade off this, guys. I can't trade off this. There's no trading level. There's no trading level in general. I had my CPI data today. That should have been it. Obviously, you know, other than that, that's it, right? Said I'm still up 6,000 on the month on this account. I don't care, right? But now we're getting the level to where I can't sell, I can't buy. There's nothing I can do at this level. So, you know, sometimes you just gotta know. And stop losses are a big play. You know, you gotta have stop losses in play. I didn't have a stop loss in play. I haven't had stop losses for a while. And yeah, sometimes you bite the dust on it. Sometimes you bite the dust on it. I shouldn't have really, I don't think I should have taken that trade in the first place. I think I should have walked away on CPI, which would have been the best idea. So what I'm going to do to make that up to myself is I am probably not going to, I might not take another trade today because that's way too overextended the downside. But I'm definitely going to make that amount up in probably less than a week. It was only 2K on that account. So it's really not that bad. That's one trade. That's one good trade. Yeah, absolutely not. Yeah, you're out of your fucking mind. Yeah, I can't take a trade off that, boys. I'm gonna be honest with you. If you guys go short right now, you are chasing. If you guys go short right now, you are chasing. If you guys got short right here, that was perfect. If you guys go short now, you're chasing. I was holding and hoping, basically type situation. I would not have obviously taken a long off that. I shouldn't have taken a long in the first place. Like, let me go back and review where I took that long at. Right here. I get what I was thinking in a way. Dip buy, but then your stop loss has to be right underneath it. And I didn't want to have a stop loss because I didn't want to have less than 100% win rate on this account, which is cool, but then that affects me in another way. Spy just eating it, right, bro? Yeah, dude. So I don't know. I can't take a dip buy. I can't take any trades, boys. There's not, like, I have no past chart history, man. I have no history in general. I have no past chart. I have no history on this in general. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That's what I've been thinking, right? Because look at, even if you're talking about oversold, like on the RSI, we're oversold here. We obviously started to pull back up, but then we're oversold again. Right now we're oversold. So it's like, but are we really? And it's like, how long can this hold up? At this given rate, boys, we'll be down to 450 in no time, right? It's like, if this holds up, but like, how long can this actually hold up for? And I'm not a long biased trader. You know, I usually am not. I'm usually short biased almost, you know? I would consider myself more bearish than bullish in the first place. Like right now looks like a great time for shorts. But at the same time, that looks like a great time for a dip buy. Right? So I'm gonna go grab a stogie. I'm gonna go chill out for a little bit, boys. I'm still gonna be live, obviously, but give me 1 second. Let me go grab a stogie. I'll BRB, boys. Oh, who would have thought? More shorts incoming, boys. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, boys. Who would have thought? Like, this is fucking... Oh, man. This is really bad looking, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This chart is not clean. I mean, excuse me. It's not that it's not clean. It's not good looking. If you're a shorter, bro, you are eating this shit up right now, bro. This is your bread and butter. Chickens will come home. The rooster is going to come home to roost one of these days, boys. Or one of these candles. And I would be out. I would lock up profits. I would just keep adjusting my... If you guys are short, man, you've been riding this out. Just keep adjusting your stop loss. Put it to right here at like 6.3. If you were up here on this trend line, this ascending trend line, and after the crash, put it right up here to that 50-day. Or put it to your 50-day up here, like, depends on how far you want to go. I think the overall market direction has been told. I think the overall market direction will be to the downside. And I think a dip buy is coming, though. One hour SPX and SPY made new highs, retested. It seems like just didn't want to. Would look for longs. I mean, I'm with you. Honestly, I'm with you. I'm not just saying that to say it. Look at that. Lower shadow, but there's no supporting factors for me, man.
Order filled.
I'm tempting nature right now, guys. I obviously will have a stop loss on this. This is me kind of messing around in the way, just to see what this market's going to do. I think it is absurd for more shorts to come in, but I'm also not the market maker. I'm also not the market maker. You can be like, I think there's no chance in hell that there's ever more shorts, but you're also not the market maker. Huh. NQ overall getting a push. S&P not moving. Need to see S&P move here to the top side for me to get that push. This is what I'm talking about, by the way. NQ overall getting that push. Yep. NQ overall really getting the push now. NQ overall really getting the push. Wow. NQ didn't move though. I'm thinking about getting out of this. NQ didn't move. NQ overall just got a massive push. NQ didn't move. NQ didn't move one bit. Guys, NQ didn't move for a second. NQ didn't even flinch to the long side, guys. Think about that. Really think about that for 1 second. NQ overall just got a spike, a rip and a run. Let me bite my tongue for a second. But yeah, my stop loss is about to hit very shortly. I have a mental stop loss in play. It's about to hit. Only thing making me more of it incoming, guys. Like, if it can hold up here, higher lows, that's all I see. If not, obviously more, you know, the same action that's been happening. Right. I like that it held the higher lows here. I do like that. We'll see if that even matters, though. Like, NQ overall is looking great if it goes red to green on this candle and back above that 9-day EMA. Like I said, guys, today's the one day, guys. That was the first red trade I've had of 2024 ever. Ever. That was the first red trade I've ever taken in 2024, guys. I'm not looking to start it off and keep that train rolling. I'm looking to break that cycle immediately. I took this trade kind of as a half-ass trade on this account because I don't even know what's up with this account. It's weird. I have it, but it's weird. I don't know about it. We'll see. But yeah, I mean, like, you know, I could see it. And the more it played out, though, the more I was like, oh, wait, this could be a dip buy. But the thing is, with I feel like today might be a retracement day. We'll see, though. I could be wrong. It could be a lower shadow day where we just formed a massive lower shadow. Now let's see where we end up, you know? Yeah, we will see. We'll see, though. You know, like, they're all getting their pushes here, which are, that's beautiful. That's great. That's what I want to see. It has to hold up, though, per the usual. So, coming in finally. Are there funded accounts for options? That's a great question. I don't think so. Options are very weird and volatile, and I think it costs a lot of money. A lot of money to get funded accounts for options. So I don't think they do that. I don't think they offer it. Sadly. I know. Sadly. Want me to find out, right? How would you recommend to make the switch from futures to options? I would start off with obviously what is it, simulated trading before, and then also though I would also recommend props. Do not use your own capital, due to the fact that futures is way more volatile than options ever is. So I would not recommend using your own capital. Yeah, you can get a prop firm for literally like 60 bucks, 100 bucks. So it's way more worth it, bro. And then I would very much recommend just what is it, simulated trading. How can you simulate trade? Well, you can open an account with Tradeovate, and then you can use their simulated trading.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, I'll take it. I have no idea what's up with this account. Yeah, so if you opened up, let's see this. So if you opened up grabbed a funded account with Apex, you grabbed a 50K funded. Right now, let's see what it would cost you. Look at that. Let's see. By the way, let's pause this music. I'm not big. I don't mind Biggie. I don't mind Biggie. I'm not that much of a Biggie fan though. A 50K count. Okay. Let's see. With a coupon code. Say no. Oh man, guys, fine would help. It will cost you 50 bucks, boys. 50 bones, ladies and gentlemen. It costs you 50 bucks. So if you get an account with Apex, it costs you 50 bucks for a 50K account, probably 100 bucks for a 150K account. And then it all depends on what you do with it. All depends on what you do, you know what I mean? But I would very much recommend paper trading. Am I able to grab multiple accounts? Yes. You can grab up to 20 of them. So, I don't know, 50 times 20. What is that? I don't know. I don't really know. $1,000 worth? You can grab like $1,000 worth right now of accounts. Now, obviously, it all depends on, you know, your ability to pass them and how you take that in. You know. So, yeah, man. I mean, if you guys, you guys all can really much do it. It's not that hard, man. 2024 is your guys' year, man. Make it happen, bro. Right? Make it happen, man. Don't get caught up in no nonsense or anything, man. So, yeah, dude. Make sure to have some good, educated, thought-out trades. I usually don't take that many trades a day, so I might just be done, and I might rock this tomorrow, right? Going into PPI data, I don't know if I'll really trade it going into PPI data. We'll see. But, yeah. Yeah, we'll see. So, I mean, yeah, man. I mean, you know. I mean, I've had one. So, what am I? 22 for 23 on so far in 2024. You know? So, let's go, baby. Quick bandito on that. Basically made back the gains in the last one. If it would have, you know, well, that's not true at all. The last one was another 150. Yeah, but if I were you, though, spy prop, I would wait. Depends on what you're looking at, like, price-wise, what you're willing to spend. You know, my brain is accustomed to those 90% off sales, Apex throws, literally all the time. So, like, they said it's the last one they're going to be doing for a while, back in, I think that was, what was that? What was that? That was, like, October or something of last year. So yeah, that's basically where we're at. I would 100% recommend just chilling out and waiting for that to come into play. Don't grab them if there's no discount or anything. Like, never pay anything more than like $100 for a account. Depends on who you're working with. I have no problem with Apex. I don't mind them. I don't know. I find that every single prop firm has a trailing drawdown, right? So, and if you guys know one without a trailing drawdown, let me know, because I will hop on that immediately, as long as it's futures, not Forex. So yeah, buddy. So I'm thinking about grabbing one of these 50Ks, man, and rocking them out. Like, I don't know. I got a lot on my mind, man. I don't know what I want to grab. I don't know, guys. I have no idea. We'll see. Charting Queen, what's up? What's up, Charting Queen? How's your day looking, Charting Queen? I think I seen your story. Is that what it is? Just past 2 accounts? Woo! Charting Queen's in the green for 2024, guys. There we go. Champagne popping for her. Oh crap, there we go. Champagne popping. 4K day, there we go, man. Oh, hallelujah to you, man. Congratulations, Charting Queen. Make good use of those accounts. Make great use of those accounts, Charting Queen. No craziness. No craziness. Get it going. You know, just keep doing you, obviously. It's all good. Don't worry about it. Yes, yup. Yeah, just keep doing you, man. I mean, 2024 has been great. You know? It's all right. So yeah, I'm 22 for 23 on the year, right? So, you know, I can't complain either, man. I mean, it's been a great year so far. I literally have only taken one L of a trade. Just sucks I didn't have a stop loss on it, man. But it was great. I lost 9 accounts before I will hold this with my, yeah, right? She's like, yo, dude, I am not playing. She's like, yo, stop playing with me. This is it. You know what I mean? Like, this is it. This is the one. So, congratulations, Charting Queen. Glad to see you're back on track. You're back to the green. Back to getting the gains in, baby. And yeah, we were supposed to do a dual stream with Caesar today. I don't know what happened with Caesar. I don't know what happened with Buddy over here. Hold up. Thanks, YB. Yup, no problem, yo. Yeah, that goes for all of you guys, man. If you guys have goals, aspirations, when you guys get there, you guys hit your goals, you guys hit your aspirations, you guys hit what you want, man. You know. Take it, let it rock, man. Take it and let it rock. Alright. Let's turn some music back on. Let's put some bangers on, bro. I don't know what we got playing. I don't know what we got playing, boys. Here we go. You know what's crazy is you can hear the difference from 2024 music to like regular, like non-2024 music. Oh, never mind. This is good music. All right. So made a little bit back. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy on the day, guys. Nothing crazy. Finally getting our pull back here, and we are starting to break this here. I don't want to. I'm not gonna rely on that though. Like, only thing I would take, I don't even know, man. I don't even know if I can take it. It would be a reversal, and I don't even. I might just wait till tomorrow, guys. Come back tomorrow with a better, you know, a better everything, better day. I don't really like today too much. It's not bad, man. It's not bad at all. Like, for you guys that shorted this entire, all these drops and stuff, not bad at all. I just don't know if I like it. Yeah. Yeah, I just don't know if I like it really. Look at that, guys. I just don't know how to feel on it, man. I'm already up on it. I might just let it go. I might just let it go. I can't complain. Oh, there it goes. Bro, there it goes, ladies and gentlemen. There's your NQ pop. There's your NQ pop, guys. Yup. So, I mean, oh my goodness, NQ. Wow, bro. Oh, wow, man. What a pop. Alright guys, sorry, give me 1 second, was looking at something. Yeah, that's crazy though. That's madness. So this is the retracement I was talking about all day, guys. I wanted this to happen though, back here. I'm not even gonna lie, guys, I wanted this to happen back here though. Like, I want to see that happen here. Oh, excuse me, it's like, oh, where YB? Oh, in that circle? That's a big circle, YB. I wanted that to happen right here. I wanted this to start to take off, continue back, and then start to push to the downside. Didn't happen though. Can't complain though. Won't complain. Alright guys, so nothing really, I don't know, nothing crazy here. Yeah, like chilling out right now. chilling out right now, guys. Had to pause the music. But nothing crazy on my end. I'm seeing 1033, guys. I'm up a K on the day. Down on the other. Completely, yeah, the other account's a shot. So we're just going to forget about that one. Let's forget about that one. Actually, what is that count to reset? Let's see. That's not bad at all, actually. It's cheap. Yeah, that's not bad. Huh, I might do that. I don't know. We'll see. Think I might grab a 50K, honestly, guys, instead. I think, honestly, my chances... Because I already have this 150. But I'm so sick of happening to making 9K. Obviously, I have that trailing drawdown of 5K instead of 3. But honestly, dude, it's really not that big of a deal. Like, you gotta make... I don't know, man. I usually don't lose 2,500 bucks in a trade. Not gonna lie, guys. Not gonna lie. Usually not my cup of tea to lose 2,500 bucks in a trade. So, we'll see. Ugh. Yep, but chilling out, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, you know, how are you guys all doing on that? I know Charting Queen's doing awesome, which I love to hear. Glad to hear it. Glad she's doing great. I know that myself, I'm doing alright. I can't complain, once again. Cannot complain as always on the day. Let's see. Let's see how Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin, wow, man. Bitcoin up to 47,622 bucks. So Bitcoin's up there. Ethereum. Guys, for any of you crypto nerds, like myself, I'm kidding. Not crypto nerds, but crypto people. Ethereum now at $2,600, man. Yo, let's see if my NFTs are up there. Guys, I'm still holding like 2 NFTs from like freaking forever ago, bro. Hold up. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Hold on. Hold up, guys. What would I have to go to? Yo, you guys ever wanna learn about NFTs? Here you go, bro. Remember the good old times of when NFT. I mean, obviously I've just been holding them, bro. They're like worthless. That's just kind of how it is. Yeah. Let's see here. Let's see if they're getting any hype again. I think during the next bull run, I think NFTs will come back. I'm not even lying, guys. I think they'll come back solely just due to the fact people want them to come back. You know what I mean? Not for any actual reason other than literally just because people want them to come back, bro. Like that is it. Okay. Like they're genuinely useless. Other than the fact of other than the fact of like people just want them to come back. Like, dude, I can buy a Moonbird for 1 ETH. Guys, when I was trading crypto, bro, back in like 2020, bro, those days, dude. I wonder if that chart thing's still up. Can I still do that chart? Analytics? Yeah, I think that's it right here. No, give me volume not by day, but give me volume over like the course of like a year. Guys, when I mean like, dude, this shit was popping, bro. This was popping, dude. Hold up. No, give me the last 90 days for sure. The last 90 days doesn't even do it justice, man. I can't go any further than that. That's crazy. All right. Floor price. Well, the floor price was upwards of like 5 ETH, bro, which would have been around 10K. Now you can buy one for 2K, boys. So, return on your investment? I think not. Damn, bro, this thing went out like 4 times. Yeah. So, I don't know. I also see a pop coming in, by the way. I do also see a little pop ski coming in. I gotta wait and see, though. I think I might close the brokerage down, boys, and just come back tomorrow with it, or the day after. I do see a pop here, though. Not gonna lie, guys. All at that 50-day mark. They could all push here. Depends. Depends. So, yup. So, decided no music. Let's see what this feels like. I don't know if I like no music, boys. I'm not gonna lie. Kind of feels a little weird. Kind of feels a little quiet in the chat. Kind of feels a little quiet around these parts. I think I'm a little bit too quiet myself. My mic. I still need that mic stand, boys. I gotta have a mic, like, right here. I have it, like, right here. Just up my neck. Be like, okay, guys. And I'm about to get in on this trade. Ready? Oh, pushing up here. It is indeed pushing up. So I'm 22 for 23 in 2024. Stop losses need to be a thing today. Tempting fate. It is indeed. $908.25. Couldn't push it, boys. What was I waiting for? What made me not get in? It couldn't push. Could not break above that 50-day. And that's probably a smart move, honestly. I don't know if I really need another trade on the day. You get up a bandito on it, you're calling. Right? Yeah, I don't know if I really need another one on the day. Oh, man. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. I don't know, guys. Kind of a weird, wacky day. Kind of a weird, wacky Thursday. CPI was great. My fault for not having stop losses in play in the first place. So, stop losses will always be needed. You just gotta have them in, baby. Ah. So maybe it's still like that. I don't know, boys. I don't know, man. I don't know how this account works. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not unsure about a lot of things. Let me tell you. I'm a smart guy. YB's a really smart gentleman. But I am not sure about this one right here, guys. Not gonna lie. not sure about this one right here. Not gonna lie. I have no idea. And do I expect more of a short? The more I look at it, yes. The more I look at it, if this trend line cracks, I feel like it'll be like the last one, boys. I feel like it'll be like the last one, boys. So I feel like those line up rather perfectly for a reason. Obviously, if they break to the top side, it could be like that as well. We will see here. I'm not being biased either direction. I don't know. We'll see. About to see. Oh. Oh, now Caesar gets back to me 2 hours later. Caesar gets back to me 2 hours later. This guy. What a guy. No, I'm kidding, guys. Alright. Hold on, guys. I'm looking at this play. Thinking here. I might just wait for the short. The short's coming no matter what. I feel like something's gonna go down right here, guys. No matter what. Right at that 50 day. Right at, excuse me, that 200 day and view up, man. I've played that point so many times before in my life. I'm about to just rock with it again. I'm about to just rock with that one again. Oh crap. I need to have my thing up. Yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna just play that point. I'm gonna wait. See, but I can play the longs up to it, man. Fuck. I can catch both directions. I can play both directions here, man. That's my only thing. It's like, YB, what do you do? What do you do? If it breaks above this 50 day, as you see, is such resistance, I feel like we're going to get a nice pop here. And with that nice pop will come the next play. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see on that, guys. We will see on that. Oh. Alright, guys. Sorry, I just need to send a text. Yeah, man. No idea. No idea what the game plan is as of right now, dude. I'm chilling out. I'm enjoying myself. I'm just been rocking. At the same time, I almost want to not take any more trades. Just get outside maybe. Also, on another note, there we go. Alright. So yeah, chilling out. Oh, never mind. Opposite's happening. Respected that 50 day. Respected the 50 day coming back down here, guys. Finally breaking the line, or trend line there. Let's see what happens here. I'm not taking a trade off it, though. I'm not going to take a trade off it But finally, it did respect that. It did break the trend line a little bit, the downtrend line, but doesn't really matter too much, as it did respect the other point in action here. Yo, this guy. Hold on. All right, hold on. Coming down a little bit hard here. I just can't trust it. I know we could get candles like this again, guys. I know. Some of you guys are like, why be? I might.
Order filled.
I'm going to touch the water on it. I'm not against it. It's a simple trendline crack action. Getting into the oversold area, which is what I want in the first place. So, I like it. Let's see NQ overall on this. I don't think it's really going to matter. Yeah, guys. It does look good. My stop loss will be short, though. This is where it's like, okay, is this a dip buy? I cannot say yes. I can't say that was a dip buy at all. Green to red coming in on S&P 500. Green to red coming in on NQ. Looking for green to red on NQ overall, and it's gone. Look, because we're just now getting into that oversold territory. Every single time last time we got into the oversold territory, by the time we hit it, we just started to sell off and sell off and sell off all the way into it. That happened time and time beforehand. So this one actually, you know, oh my, bearish engulfment coming in. So it's taking over. I want to see that break, that 60 break now, and then continue to flush, right? So it's like, all right, well, you want to do it, then do it. That's kind of where you're at. Because look at this, starting to hit. Starting to get that nice, get into the oversold territory, which is what I want. But I want the oversold territory to come in with the market, you know, shifting to the downside here. Like that right there. I want it to get oversold, but I want it to get oversold by coming way down. Like, look at S&P, man. Playing its part. Doing its job. S&P right there. NQ overall. Give me a green to red. Nope. Look at that. Need to watch. Waiting and watching, guys. Waiting and watching. I have no idea right now. Whoa. Hold up, guys. Hold up, little lemonade. Let's see it. Nice upper shadow. Let's see that come into play here. Right there it is, man. Give me that trap pattern, boys. Hit me with a trap pattern here, boys. Anything, any trap pattern? S&P making one. Bringing NQ down with it. NQ coming down with it. Let's see it, boys. Ladies and gentlemen. I mean, and ladies, of course. Boy, when I say boys, I mean ladies and gentlemen. Both of you guys, of course. Let's see it. Starting to hit. Going to the floor, guys. There it goes. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. There you guys go, bro. So there you guys go. More of the short incoming, man. Beautiful play. Look at that to come all the way back down to 40. Look at that to come all the way back down to 40. Yeah, buddy, man. Yeah, freaking buddy, dude. Yup. Hopefully you guys caught that, man. Hopefully you guys are catching this, basically, is what I mean to say. Alright, I'm going to sell out a half here.
Order filled.
Took half, holding half. There you go. Now let this shoot down more. Now there it goes. S&P flipping to the red side. Love it, boys. Love it, guys. S&P underneath 474 for more short incoming. Sound like AK-47 up in here. Underneath 474 for more short. It's okay. I want to see underneath 474 for more of that short. Next candle coming in. Hit me with underneath 4. There it goes. Underneath 474. Want to see it now start to flush. Underneath 474 makes me feel confident. Right there. 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 There it goes. So close. So close. Trap pattern. Hit me with it. Oh, yes. Trap pattern, baby. I want to see green to red. I want to see green to red. There it goes. Nice. Now holding underneath 474 for more of the short, guys. More of the short coming in, man. What a beautiful play. Alright, guys. Depends on this candle. Wow, it's staying red. Oh, wow. Alright. That's just because of NQ overall, guys. S&P's holding this thing down right now.
Order filled.
Alright, I took the other one. 1200 on it. 1200. I'll take it. What was that? Another 200? Basically. Yeah. Not bad, not bad. S&P looked good for more short, but I can't hold it. I can't hold into it. I can't hold forever. Can't hold that long. Woo! Woo! Yeah, buddy. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think I'm good. I think that's it. So, yeah, caught a little bit more of a short. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy on it. Still a good day, man. Still a good day. Honestly, can't complain. Yeah, man. So, great day. Okay day. Not bad. Can't complain. I want to see what happens when I get this up there. I mean, I'm close. I'm less than 2K, 2,500 away. So, we'll see. We will see, ladies and gents. But with that, man, with the market kind of making a little bit of a W pattern, watch out for that. I think I'm going to call it a day here, ladies and gentlemen. It's been an up and down day. It's been an okay day. I can't complain. Let me tell you, I can't complain. Alright, there's only so much complaining one man can do, and I won't do it. Alright. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys are green on the day, you guys have had a great day. You guys are just living life, enjoying life. You know what I mean? So far, I am 23 for 24 in 23 for 24 in 23 for 24 in 2024. That's why I was messing with my head. So, W to L ratio 23 to 24. Calculator. I feel like I'm AK out here. All right, that's not what I meant. Yup. Yup. That's what I meant. 95% win rate. So that's the win rate so far. So it's technically 96 because 8 you got to round up. Me. So 8 round up. And then you might as well round up to 100. So basically, no, 96% win rate, guys. Yeah, man. And that's for 2024. Surely 2024 started 11 days ago. But I'm just letting you guys know. Win rate on the year. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. What a great day. What a fun time, ladies and gents. What a, I mean, just banger of a day in general. You know, guys, once you get up there, man, once you guys, like, start getting, you know, just to that next level, you guys will start to see you got to do things that'll get you to that next level. What do you mean by that, YB? Like, you got to start toasting your Pop-Tarts type situation. We're not going to get into it too much. I do got to get out of here, Lord. Ladies and gentlemen, I almost said Lord. Ladies and gentlemen, so hit me with a good yeah, buddy. If you've enjoyed today, you guys have been cooking up. You guys have just had a blast, man. A blast, killing it, man. If you guys are looking for more of a short, watch S&P trendline cracks. If you guys are looking for longs, watch W patterns to come in overneath the 50-day. I would be cautious on the longs all today, honestly. I think today's going to be a retracement day. So, ladies and gentlemen, love you all. Yeah, buddy. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, love you all, man. Have a great day. See you all back here tomorrow around 10 a.m. to 9:30 to 10 a.m. For some more of this money market, guys. Love you all. Take care. Peace.
Up in that mood, baby, let's make some bubbles. Puffing on that gelato, wanna be seeing double. Gotta do what you gotta. Believe it, we ain't got no plans to leave it. Tell all your friends to be it. We ain't gonna sleep all weekend. You know, that's the motto. Drop a few bills and pop a few champagne bottles. Throwing that money like you just won the lotto. Whipping up all them summer, making that bread and butter. Tell me, did I just stutter? That's the motto. Drop a few bills and pop a few champagne bottles. Throwing that money like you just won the lotto. Whipping up all them summer, making that bread and butter. Tell me, did I just stutter? That's the motto. Popped in the rich, can't feel my face, the windows down. Back to my place, my birthday cake is coming out the way. It's hitting like I could go all night. Don't want no bloodshot eyes, so hold my drink, let's believe it. We ain't got no plans to leave it. Tell all your friends to be it. We ain't gonna sleep all weekend. You know, that's the move. Drop a few pills and pop a few champagne.